Welcome, today we're going to show you how to split screen or multitask in iPad on OS 26. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your settings IC from here, and you need to go to multitasking and gestures. After that, from here you will have a lot of options to multitask. So you need to choose the option that you want. The one that we are looking for is windowed apps IC from here. So you can just choose this option. So from here, the first step to actually use the multitasking or split screen is to swipe up from here to open this menu, the taskbar for iPad. After that, you need to open the first app like Gmail. I'll see from here, you need to open it. After you do so, you need to hold the other app. So open any app like this. So just if you want to open this code or any app, you need to just hold this app and take it and put it on the top. So now you can actually make a split screen using these apps. I'll see from here it will look like this. Also, if you click on the three dots on the top from here, you can have a lot of options to resize or reshape the split screen. I'll see from here. So just hold the three dots or the three red dots from here and this menu will appear. So that's actually how you use split screen on iPad OS 26. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.